Good morning, everyone. My name is Ojigo Solis, and I'm here to explain how to create a self-clicking app on Admob using your banner and interstitial ad units. Quickly, I have here a sample of a banner ad unit and an interstitial ad unit. So I'll be making use of two sites to get this done, which is Thunkable and Appybuilder. Thunkable and Appybuilder can work the same, give you the same results. But the reason why I'm having to use both of them now is because I imported an AIA file before I began this video. And the AIA file is a project that was saved from an existing app that was made. So all I need to do now is just to use my ad unit in replacing the ad unit on this app that was created before now. And how did I come about that? On Appybuilder, to begin a project, an existing project, that's you load up the AI file from an existing project, you click on this drop down tool and it shows you the list of it, of the options there. So you click on import project.aia file from my computer, and when you click on that, it's going to take you to the location where you have the AIA file. So you choose that, and for me, I have it here on my downloads, and this is the Appybuilder underscore interstitial. Since I'm making use of the interstitial ad unit for Appybuilder, and I'm making use of the banner ad unit for Thunkable. So I'm not going to import that now because I already did the importing before I began the video. Now that's for importing the app, and when you're done, you can save the app using the build option, and you click on the drop down tool with the build option. Sorry, I have this option loaded. You click on the drop down tool and you have save.apk to my computer. This provides a QR code for APK. It brings you a menu where you have to scan a barcode from your phone, but you need to have the Appybuilder installed on your phone so you can have a live version of the app sent to your phone rather than having to save it on your computer. But that seems to be a long process to me. I just quickly save the APK file to my computer and use my USB cable in transferring to my phone. So I already copied the okay, I'm going to copy the banner ad unit now to begin, and I'll head down to Thunkable. Now I have 14 banner ads here. This is the menu, the interface of the app. It's a virtual app, but it shows you the way the app looks like on your phone, would look like on your phone. And we have 14 banner ads here. These are all of the ad units, and this is a clock that shows the timer at which these banner ads will refresh. Now it has here 30,000 milliseconds, which is converted to 30 seconds. So it will take 30 seconds for each of these banner ads to load up a new one. That's to give you some reasonable sense of impression from this app before you make any click, and makes it a little bit reasonable, like having 30 seconds you stare on an ad before it disappears. You can actually change this to whatever you want, but it's uniquely advisable to use something 30 seconds or at least 10 seconds for them. But we have 14 banner ads here, so if you're going to use anything less than 15, I think that's going to be risky, because you should at least give 3 seconds to each of the banner ads to load here. So I'm not going to spend much time on that. I'll quickly start on the Admob banner 1. Now it's simple. This is an existing ad unit for an earlier app I created, and I'm just going to highlight all, since I already copied the banner ad units from here. I already copied it and I highlighted everything on the banner Admob banner 1 here, and I would wipe and replace. That's it. I do the same thing here. I click on it, I select all, and I replace. So that's what I'll do for all of the to replace the ad units there. Normally you can create each of these ad units one by one and replace them here. I mean, you having 14 banner ad units that are different, but that seems to be a lot of stress for me because I just have to create one banner ad unit and use them for all, since it will display different ads on the app. So I'm done replacing the add units, and I have to confirm that all of these add units match. So what I'll do is just I'll quickly scan down and click on each of the add mob banner to see that I don't have a different figure in the add units. So while I'm doing that now, if a different figure shows up in between any of this, then I know there's a mistake somewhere, or I skipped replacing a banner ads. This is to be sure that all the banner ads units here belongs to this person, the person who owns this app. Now I'm done, and that's simple. The reason why you're not seeing this the banner ad unit display here is only shows a live ad, live test ads here. It doesn't show the real ads from this app unit. That's to save you some fake impressions already from this app. So what I'm doing next is click on this screen one. The screen one has to do with the pages on this app. So these are some quick menu, and here we have the Nigeria Crackers banner, which was the earlier name for the app name. So I'm just going to quickly replace that to something, let me say my new app. And once I'm done clicking that, it replaces this, my new app. So I may just copy that name, that same name, and scroll down to the title. The title is what you see here. The app name is what you see as the file name on your phone when it's installed. So I can save it as the same name as my new app, and it changes is here already. So every other details has to be with the fonts, the title, the menu, and all of that. So I could leave this at version 1 and the version code and the version name. So I'm done basically with it. Every other thing is not so necessary since it's a self-clicking app, and I don't need to give this app to numerous people that I might need to start making some beautiful modifications to each of the app. So that's basically what I need to get started now, and I'll come down to the export. Since I'm done building the app, I already fixed the add unit into the app. So I scroll down on the drop down to and click on save app to my computer, and you wait a while for it to pack the app together and get you the APK file saved. That's basically all you need to do for it. So while this is while this is packing up the app, compiling the app rather, I'll quickly run the impression, the intersister add unit. Now I copy up the intersister add unit from here I did for the banner, and I scroll down to the Appybuilder. Now the Appybuilder has the same process as the Thunkable app. So I already imported this app earlier, as I explained. So what I'll do here now, this intersister app only has about 6 add units here. So unlike the APK for the banner that had the AIA for the banner that had 14 add units. So I'll just click on each of these intersister add units, click on it, highlight all, and replace. Now I'm doing the same thing. I click on it, highlight all, and replace. Now I'm done with that, and I just have to come down to the screen one. Okay, something is preventing the app from being saved here. So I'm just going to click on keep, and it starts downloading. That's the app there, 4.1 megabytes. So the same thing I did with did on the Thunkable. I have to rename the file name to a different name so I can differentiate between this app on my phone and this new app. So I can just give this my intersister. So I can copy that name, since this is the app name as it will show when it's installed on my phone, and I replace it with the title so I know the app title when it opens. So that's basically what I have to do, and you can leave this version code as it is, or you can just wish to change it up anyhow you you wish. So that's basically everything on replacing an add unit on Admob. Then I come on the build section and click on save APK to my computer, and I allow some minutes or seconds for it to get done. So you can see that the APK for the Thunkable banner is already downloaded, and I'll show you in folder for you to see. Now this is the new app I made some minutes ago, so around 5 a.m. and this is the Thunkable banner APK. So this now can be installed on your phone and you get going with your clicking. Now this is also done, and in a matter of some seconds now it will drop down in the downloads folder. That's basically all you need to create an existing create a self-clicking app from an existing AIA file. Something is hindering this from opening. Okay, it's now downloaded, and I'll quickly show it up in folder. Okay, I'll keep this and it's done. So I show this up in the folder, and from here you can copy to any location. You can copy to your phone directly and install. You can use the BlueStack on your PC to install and test run this app. So this is the two new app I made from Thunkable, the APK, the banner ad, and the Appybuilder Interstitial. So this is all about creating ad units, creating an app from an existing AIA file with your ad units. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.